Hi everyone, my name is Arina. So today I'm going to show you how to create hole on the floor. So let's say here we have one spacing. I randomly draw one rectangular spacing. Okay, so you can see here we don't have any hole to the floor. So you can click to your 2D view. Okay, when you click to your 2D view, you can click to your any of your wall and then you go to shape editing. Okay, shape editing. So when you come into shape editing function, you only have two views, which is 2D and 3D. So since we want to create a hole on the floor, just go on 3D view. Okay, then you're supposed to see your floor. So let's say you just want to draw one rectangular shape of your hole. So you can use the rectangular, or if you want to have any shape, any manual shape, you can use draw function. We have circular, star and polygon. But today I'm just going to use rectangular. Click on rectangular, draw a rectangular shape to the floor, right click to cancel, and then to see on the size you can click on it. So you have the info panel regarding to the sizing of your square shape, and then here on the left, right and up and down you have the distance, so you can check lah. Okay, you can rotate the shape, you can make a indentation and also batch if you want to have a batch. Okay, so when you click complete, okay, change back to your walkthrough. So you can see there's hole on the floor. Right, so this one can be applicable to wall as well. Just use back to the 2D method, click on the wall, and then we have shape editing. Right, so that's all from me. Thank you.